Hey everybody, it's Shane at Straight Arrow Adventures, and for years I've said that my 172 horse Canam has been fast enough, and he has been, done great, but I got the itch, so we're gonna do a tune and a charge tube. He has been, done great, but I got the itch, so we're gonna do a tune and a charge tube. I got the code shooter from EVP and an RPM charge tube, this bad boy right here, and so we are going to put it in. First thing is, take out the old charge tube. Next one's silicone. I'll show you where that came from. So the charge tube we take off is right here. Comes off the turbo. We're whistling because there's a lost Chihuahua that rolled into our camp. He's cruising away. He got some chicken nuggets and walked back home. I don't know. Off is right here. Comes off the turbo. And then goes, and that one goes up here. If you can see this, I'm gonna remove my hand, but that open fixture right there. And now we're gonna go ahead and try and put this thing on. I've heard it can be a pain. We're gonna go find out. Now, after struggling putting that tube on, we're going to spray the ends with a little bit of WD-40 so that we can then try and push it on. Just a little bit, not a lot. Relax. We can do. Is it going? Yeah. Dang, that thing is a sucker.
There's not much room in there.
No, there isn't. There's not much room in there at all. And from this side, like, you can see it better, but hot snot.
That works. I'm using my.
Yeah. There we go. Is that good? Or does it need it again? We're gonna find out. Okay, so that's it. Now we're gonna get a 7 or 8 millimeter on all of those clamps because it secures it better. It secures it better than a screwdriver on it. So make sure that you always go back and you get either a socket or a wrench on those just to tighten them up, because you don't want your blow-off valve to blow off, if you're with me. Next step is the vacuum tube that you got to run off the plenum. You need a Torx head. It's this little bad dog right here. You got to pop that off. And then a billet cap. So after you pull that Torx head, there's this little plastic piece that comes out from the hole that it was securing down. And then you're going to take this vacuum tube with the billet piece, place that into the hole where that cap was, and then the screw will go down and hold this down. Want to make sure that you don't pinch the O-ring, mess everything up before you get it started, and then put that back in. I know, like, less problems now. I'm like, yeah. And that's it. Charge tube is on. Now we're going to load up the code shooter and get that going. All right, so we're going through the code shooter process. I've got it hooked up to the car. It went through the VIN. I downloaded the app. I've been pressing in all the info, and we are just about there. Have 30 more horse power. What I think of the RPM, blow off valve and charge tube. Charge tube works great. Blow off valve is loud. I think that the Evo is quieter from what I've heard from other people. I might be looking into that one because I don't love the loud hiss, but tune from Evo, awesome. Wakes up that thing, and I know it's old news, but the 3R91 really has this thing going, and so it makes Dwight a whole nother animal. So thanks to Tito for helping me install that. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please please like and subscribe, and we'll see you around on the next adventure.